How to make a Acorns account under 18. Acorns typically requires users to be 18 or older to create an account, as it involves investment activities and financial services. Follow these steps. Go to your App Store and download the Acorns app, available for Android and iOS. Ensure it's from the official source to confirm authenticity. Open the app and select the Custodial account option. Enter your basic info and specify you're under 18. Your parent or guardian must help. After selecting the Custodial account, provide your parent or guardian's name, email, and details. They'll manage the account until you're of age. Acorns requires your parent or guardian to verify their identity by submitting personal info, like a government ID. This ensures security. To start investing, you or your guardian need to link a bank account to the Acorns app. This enables automatic contributions into your portfolio. Thanks for watching.